Hello friends, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, you're highly welcome. If you're an old subscriber, I love you all. Thank you for your love and support. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share this video, and also comment. So right now I'm going to be taking you guys on benefits of Noni juice. It reduces body weight and treats obesity issues by reducing the overall body fat level. So if you know you want to reduce in body size or whatever, please, this video is actually for you. Please make sure you watch this video till the very end so you understand and get the steps on how to prepare this juice. It helps maintain normal blood pressure, pains, burns, arthritis too. It really helps. Inflammation, tumor, bacterial infection. It improves gum health. It's also good for diabetic patients. It increases immune activity too. Please, this is the ripe noni, what it looks like, and this other one is the unripe one. Just take a look at it. This is the unripe one. That's what the tree looks like. This is still the unripe one. You can spot the difference. The colors are very, very different. So now, before you start anything, you have to store the fruit inside a container and cover it very well for it to ferment. You can see how I covered mine. And if you cover it and leave it for some days, it's going to be very soft. Leave it for some days, 2 or 3 days. It's going to be very soft, so you can crush it with anything. You can use spoon to crush it, but if you want to use your hand to crush it as well, you can use it, and so you can squeeze out the juice. It's still okay. So, but I like using spoon because the fruit, you can see now, is very soft, so you can use anything to crush it. So first, you wash it. Make sure you wash it very well. Take a look at how it is. You wash it. It depends on the quantity that you're preparing. You can prepare as much as you want. So you wash it very well. Make sure it's clean so you don't feel sand when you're drinking it. Take your time and wash it. When you're done washing it, you put it inside a bowl, whatever you want to put it. It depends on how many fruits you want to use and prepare your juice. You can see mine is just 3. You can use 4, 5, 6, 7, as much as you can get. You can see how the crushing is very easy because it was stored inside a container for some days for fermentation to take place. You can see how soft it is. It's very soft. So you take your time, crush it very well. You can use your hand if you want to. You can as well use a blender to blend it. I didn't want to use my blender. I wanted to do it this way so you can understand how to extract the juice. I decided to do it this way so you can see it. Okay, just drop water inside here. You can put your water as much as you want. It depends on the quantity you're using to prepare this juice, but it has to be thick. It really has to be thick. It's not supposed to be watering. If it is watering, it doesn't make sense. So you have to make it to be very thick. You make it to be very thick. can see how I'm preparing it. You turn it, then you take your sieve. Don't mind me, since I'm using a glass. I just wanted to try it with a glass since the quantity is very small. So you can use anything to, to sieve the noni. You turn it inside the sieve. You can see how the juice is dropping inside the glass cup. You use I'm actually using my spoon, a teaspoon, to try to squeeze out the water, the juice. I'm actually using a spoon to turn it. And I'll add a little water to it. You can add water if you want to. That's how I like preparing it. It's just like preparing a juice, like you're preparing a juice. It's just like that. If you like if it was actually something that is sugary, you want it to be very sweet. So you make it, you try and make it to be very thick, so it can be very effective. So you turn it, you can see the chaff. Now when you're done doing this, you can turn the chaff inside an empty rubber container and dispose it off. That's the chaff. You turn the chaff inside a container so you can dispose it off. Take a little quantity of it again and turn it inside your sieve, and then you turn it again. Try and press it with your teaspoon. You can see the juice is coming out. It's coming out. This looks really good. The juice is dropping. It's dropping inside the glass cup. Please don't mind me. When you're doing your own, don't use a glass cup. You can use a big bowl. It depends on how big your sieve is. My sieve, you can see, is very portable and small. You understand? That's why I used the glass cup instead of a bowl or a I don't know, something bigger. So I decided to use a glass cup. Now you can see everything is now ready. It is ready. And I noticed that the juice was much. That was why I decided to use a bowl. And that's the chaff in there. So now it is ready for consumption. You can see how thick it is. So this particular juice you're seeing here has a little, little odor, kind of like, I don't know, sometimes maybe you might not like the taste. It's just tasteless. It's tasteless somehow. So if you don't really like the taste, because it's not bitter, it's not sweet, it's just there. So you can add 1 teaspoon of honey to it while you're drinking it. When you want to drink, you can add 1 teaspoon of honey to it. Please note, after doing this, if you want to preserve it, you turn it inside a container like this, then cover it and store it inside your freezer. Store it inside your freezer. That is how to preserve it. So you can see this is my honey. I'll take a teaspoon of it and I turn it inside a glass cup. Just 1 teaspoon is enough. But if you can drink it without the honey, it's still okay. You drink it raw, it is okay. So now the juice is ready for consumption. It looks good. So that's it, the simple way to prepare the noni juice. Please, this juice is really good. If you have aging mother at home, please recommend this juice for them. Please, if you have any question, you can drop it down